Welcome to another Math GPT lesson. Today, we're going to calculate the integral of over x times x squared minus b times x using the substitution method. Let's write down the integral expression. Now, the key to solving this integral is finding an appropriate substitution. Let's choose u equals x squared minus b times x. Let's take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. This gives us du equals 2x minus b dx. Next, let's solve for dx. Rearranging this equation, we have dx equals du divided by 2x minus b. Now, let's substitute everything back into the integral. This gives us the integral of x over u times du over 2x minus b. Notice that x and 2x minus b have common terms, which means we can factor them out and cancel them. The expression simplifies to the integral of over 2 times u du. Now we're left with an integral that's much simpler to solve. The integral of over 2u with respect to u is over 2 times the natural log of absolute value of u. Finally, let's substitute back u equals x squared minus bx into the expression. So the final answer is over 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of x squared minus b times x plus c. And there you have it. We've successfully calculated the integral using the substitution method. Remember to always choose a substitution that simplifies your integral expression and make sure to substitute back to get your answer in terms of x.